Hey everyone, have you ever wanted to share an existing Instagram post to your Instagram story? If yes, then keep watching. In this video, I'll show you how to share an existing Instagram post to your Instagram story. Reposting on Instagram creates a direct line of communication between you and your followers. This also shows acknowledgement and appreciation for what others in your community are doing. To begin, let's open up Instagram and scroll through your feed. Select the post you would like to share and tap on the share icon, which looks like a paper airplane. Then tap on Add Post to your story. It will then take you to the editing section of Instagram. Here you'll be able to add animations, stickers, lines, or text to your post. The user's ID will be posted at the bottom left of the post, giving them the credit. Once you're done editing, tap on your story to share your story, or you can tap on Send To, and you can select who you want to share your story with. You can look at your Instagram story feed to see your shared Instagram post. And that is how to share an existing Instagram post to your Instagram story. So I hope you did find this useful. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel so you never miss another social media tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.